bagoong and with hilaw na crab. Yeah. Ang crispy ng mga veggie. Again, even for me, yung flavor niya, strong.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Hello mga kakules, ngayon po ay pupunta tayo sa isa sa pinaka-paborito kong restaurant. Maliit lang siya na restaurant, but they actually do and make really good traditional Thai food. Actually, they specialize somtam. Iba't ibang uri ng somtam. Ito po, Patanakan 44. Ayan. So, isi-share ko sa inyo yung ilan sa mga Thai food na talagang mostly kinakain ko dito sa Thailand. Again, I've been living here for 16 years. Kaya naman, ang taste bud ko, very Thai na talaga. So, ayan, papasok na po tayo. Eto po, ayan.
Normal temperature. Normal temperature.
Ayan po. This is it, this is it.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing to my channel. It's another food vlog. Ito yung mga paborito kong kinakain talaga na Thai food. These are all traditional Thai food. Itong restaurant na ito, although nakita nyo kanina, medyo maliit lang siya, pero in fairness, the quality of the food, panglaban. Ito yung deep fried chicken wings, really tiny chicken wings. Usually, they eat it with sticky rice, kauniyaw. So, hindi po ako umorder nun kasi nga mabubusog na ako masyado. So, eto po yung itsura niya. Ayan. Guys, yung sauce nila, yung panalo, pangmalakasan. It's made with tamarind and cilantro, spring onions, tamarind sauce, and I think a little bit of fish sauce, and of course, chili. So, yan guys, napakasarap. Ito yung lasa niya. It's sour, salty, and sweet and spicy, naglalaban. Very tasty. The chicken itself, it's really good and crispy. As in, sabi ko nga, etong restaurant na ito, kahit maliit, panlaban yung quality and the taste. Next mga kakules, this is bamboo shoot salad. Again, I think one of the reasons why most Thai women, or actually Thai people, they are way slimmer compared to Filipino. That's just my opinion. Kasi po, they are really good when it comes to eating vegetables. In fairness naman sa kanila, almost everything you order here, even though the main ingredient is meat, there's always vegetables as their side dish. So, eto mga kules. This is soup no mai. Really good. Medyo pang malakasan na ito mga kules. So if you come here as a tourist, please don't forget, ito mga i-recommend ko sa inyo kasi napakasarap. It's cooked with onions and yung parang giniling na bigas and some spices. I see cilantro and culantro and chilies of course. So it's spicy. Tapos yung bamboo shoot, ito po, yung parang hinalbos lang yung bamboo. Tapos ginawang salad. Sarap. A little sweet, mostly sour and spicy. Again, a lot of herbs and spices. Next, my favorite meat salad, nam tok mu. This is grilled pork and then cut into really thin slices and made with culantro, cilantro, spring onions.
Pretty much the same thing.
Yeah. Soup no may and nam tok mu, pretty much the same thing. The only difference is pork, grilled pork, and then they made it like salad. But this one is also very tasty because the meat is very tender And again, it's spicy, sour, and a little bit salty, and a little bit sweet. Oh, wow. Sana gawin din sa atin sa Pilipinas. Guys, you can try this. Kasi all the ingredients that they actually use to make this are available in the Philippines. Harap. Nakikita nyo? Thin slices of pork. And again, the reason why this one is really tasty because of the spices and herbs they put. Next, another type of somtam. Actually, mga kulas, somtam is Thai salad. The most famous one, papaya pokpok, because of the sound. Because they actually make somtam in mortar and pestle. So the sound is pok, pok, pok. That's just a short history about it. You can make different kinds of somtam. You can make corn, papaya, mango, and sunflower seedling. They also make santol somtam. They make noodle somtam, mixed fruit somtam, apple somtam.
Just corn.
Corn, long beans. They actually put some peanuts, chili, of course. This is also spicy. This one is salted egg. Really good. Again, mga kulas, you can try this in the Philippines. And they put a little bit of fish sauce and tamarind sauce. And alam niyo sa atin yung para siyang parak, yung asukal na buo, tapos tutunawin nila, yon. And then of course, may konting garlic, ito. Corn salad, somtam cow pot. Ito pang malakasan na. Quite strong. It has very strong flavor. Alam niyo mga kules, kung bakit? This again, somtam. This is another type of somtam. Grabe yung flavor nito. Sumasabog. With bagoong and with hilaw na crab. This is raw. With papaya, with hilaw na eggplant. Lahat po ng ingredients ay hilaw. Sunflower seedling, tomatoes, long beans, chilies, garlic. Napakasarap ng somtam. Somtam pupala. Pupala means bagoong with fresh crab. Yeah. Ang crispy ng mga veggie. Even for me, yung flavor niya, strong. Every time I buy somtam, usually ang ino-order ko rin naman, somtam Thai, which is the basic. This one is with fresh crab and bagoong. Medyo malakas na yung flavor niya. If you are new in Thailand, I don't think you will like it. Yung bagoong at saka yung crab, nilahok sa salad, na hilaw. Pero, paborito po ito ng mga Thai. They love it. Even my Thai friends, they would always say their favorite somtam is somtam crab, pupala. Next, of course, the most famous also. Fried noodles. And then you squeeze the manaw or calamansi. And actually, they also put peanuts and chili flakes. And of course, shrimp and toge and spring onions, again, with egg. And it's really good also. Wow. Personally, I love pad thai, spicy pad thai. I would always put chili. Thai food experience, hindi kumpleto kung walang Thai milk tea. It's good. It's only 45 baht. And this one is only 65 baht, 60 baht, 70 baht. This one is 80 baht. This one is 70 baht. So really guys, in my opinion, these are not expensive because if you order this in like a really nice restaurant, pad thai alone could cost like 150 or 200 baht. This restaurant is really tiny but the quality of the food is like heaven. In fairness naman sa Thai food, kung magre-research kayo, yung mga most famous international cuisine, Thai food is actually on the top 5. Even a lot of tourists or travelers around the world, when you talk about Thai food, talagang halos karamihan sinasabi nila, Thai food is delicioso. Malasa, masarap kasi nga, hindi lang maanghang, marami silang nilalagay ng mga spices and herbs na yung lasa niya hindi bland, hindi matabang, talagang sumasabog yung flavor. Aroy makmak. Very delicious. Really, really good. Sinisip po na ako kasi manghang. So that's it mga kules. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa aking short food vlog for today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And please don't forget to hit like and comment below and subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa buhay at iba't ibang tips ni Coolest Teacher Diary dito sa Thailand. Don't forget to hit the bell button.